Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex channel. If you are looking for a powerful trend following indicator that gives real-time trading alerts, then you need to check out the UT bot alerts indicator. Alright, so basically in this video we are going to break down what the UT bot alerts indicator is and how it works. We're also going to be looking at how to set it up for the best signals, how to use it effectively to identify trends, and I'm going to be sharing some pro tips to enhance your trading strategy. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding the UT bot alert indicator to the chart right away. All right. The UT bot alert indicator. So this is how the indicator looks like. So what exactly is the UT bot alert indicator and why is it effective? Now the UT bot alert indicator is an advanced trend following tool designed to help traders identify strong market movements. Okay, so it works by analyzing price position, understanding whether the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend, and tracking stop loss levels dynamically to manage risk effectively and helping traders to spot key trend reversals and trend continuation patterns. You can see on the chart the indicator gives signals by telling you when it's time to sell or when it's time to buy. So basically, these buy and sell signals are going to tell you whether a potential reversal or continuation is about to happen. So if you are in a buy trend, for example, and you notice a sell signal within that buy trend, it could be a pullback, right? But if you notice a break of structure and you get a sell signal, then it could be a sell reversal. On the other hand, if you are in a sell trend and you get a buy signal, it could be if you're in a sell trend and you get a buy signal, it could be a pullback, right? But if you have a break of structure and then a buy signal, it could be a trend reversal. Okay, but if you get a sell trend within a sell signal, it could be continuation. If you get a buy trend within a buy signal, sorry, if you get a sell signal within a bearish trend, it could be a sell continuation. And if you get a buy signal within a bullish trend, it could be a buy continuation. So it's very easy, right? Now, the most exciting part, this indicator uses GPT 3.5 technology to process market data and deliver good real-time alerts, okay, ensuring you get clear buy and sell signals without the noise of traditional indicators. All right. Now, this makes the UT bot alert indicator ideal for all types of traders, all right, whether you are into day trading, swing trading, or scalping. Okay, now let's talk about how the UT bot alert indicator generates signals and why it's a game changer. Now, first of all, it helps you to identify the direction of the trend, okay, because the reason is that the indicator follows price movement closely to determine if the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend, right? So when the trend is bullish, you see a buy. You can see when the trend is whenever you're having a buy move, though whether it's a bullish trend or bearish trend, you're going to notice whenever a buy move is incoming, you're going to get this buy signal. It's going to be generated. All right. So also the indicator analyzes market data and gives buy or sell signals without delays. Right, so you can set up notifications to receive alerts, right? You can set up notifications to receive alerts, in order to guide your trade decisions and ensure that you don't miss out on potential good market moves, right? So by combining the features of this indicator, the UT bot alert indicator acts as a high precision trend analysis tool that helps traders filter out weak signals and focus on strong trends. So basically, how do you set up this indicator on your trading view platform? Okay, the indicator is not readily available on some platforms like the MetaTrader. I couldn't find it on the MetaTrader platform. and it seems to be not readily available as a custom indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. It might be quite difficult to get it as a custom indicator for MetaTrader 4 signing up, but I found it on TradingView, right? So if you want to make this indicator, you might want to try using it on TradingView, or let's if you could find it as a custom indicator, on an external site that you can then download and add to your MetaTrader time analysis. If you only use the MetaTrader platform for your analysis, right? However, if you're using TradingView, you can just go to the indicators section and just search for it. Basically, search for it. When you search for it, you can just click on it and it's going to add it to your chart right away. So once that's added to your chart, you can actually change or modify the settings as you wish. Right, depending on your trading style, you can actually adjust the settings for better signals, higher sensitivity, gives you more signals, while lower sensitivity filters out weaker trends. All right. So, for example, let's just say, if we are to increase the sensitivity now, you can see higher sensitivity gives you more signals. Just gonna leave this back to the defaults. But it depends on you, the trader, however you want to modify the settings, but you can just use the default anyways. Alright. Now, once you have set up the indicator on your chart, you can be looking out for real-time alerts whenever the indicator detects a trend shift, and keeping you one step ahead of the market. Now that you have the YouTube alert indicator set up, let's talk about how to use it effectively in your trading strategy. Now, for confirming trends, always check if the buy or sell signal aligns with market structure. Alright, look for higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend before going long. I would advise only pick signals that are in the direction of the trend. So if you get a sell signal in the buy trend, I would recommend not to take it, right? But if you get a buy signal in the buy trend, you can go ahead. Get a sell signal in the sell trend, you can go ahead. Okay? And then for a sell trend, of course, look for lower highs and lower lows, alright, before going short. Now, combine the YouTube alert indicator with support and resistance levels as well, in order to validate trade signals. So make sure you plot your levels on your chart. Look for areas of rejection on the chart where price got to and couldn't break through immediately. Okay, the buy signal appears at a strong support level. It's a great confirmation for a long trade. And if the sell signal appears near resistance, the trend is likely reversing. Okay, and also avoid overtrading with filters. Pair the indicator with the moving average or RSI, to filter out false signals. Okay, so you can actually add other technical indicators to your chart, just to get confirmations. Okay, you can use RSI, you can use both. You can use any other indicator of your choice. Okay, and also make sure you always make use of stop losses. If you're in a buy trade, set your stop loss just below the previous swing low. But if you're in a sell trade, set your stop loss just above the previous swing high. Alright, by following these steps, you'll avoid unnecessary losses and focus on high quality trade setups. And also use trailing stops. Okay, use trailing stop loss to lock in gains as the trend continues in your direction. Now, before we wrap up, here are some pro tips to help you get the best results with the YouTube alert indicator. Now, it's the first tip to consider is trading during high volume sessions. Okay. Now, London and New York sessions provide better signals with stronger momentum. Okay, so it's important to trade during those sessions. Also, use multiple time frames. Okay, check higher time frames like 1 hour or 4 hour charts to confirm strong trends before entering on lower time frames. All right, and then also backtest before live trading. Always test the indicator in the demo account first to fine-tune the settings and improve confidence. Okay, and finally, stay disciplined. The best traders follow structured strategy and avoid emotional trading. So stick to your trading plan. Alright. Now that is a complete breakdown of the YouTube alert indicator. Drop a comment below. Have you used this indicator before? What is your favorite trading setup with it? Alright. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more expert trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.